Isa ka rin ba sa mga kagulong natin na nangangarap na magkaroon ng sports bike, subalit hindi mo pa gaano ka-afford sa ngayon dahil budget mo ay medyo tight? Well, baka na kay Suzuki lang pala ang motor na hinahanap mo. Check mo muna to at baka ito na ang motor na pinapangarap mo. B-Boy LMD here and you guys still watching Respeto Kagulong. We are here at Suzuki BigBikes Antipolo / MotorcycleCity Suzuki 3S Antipolo branch, and this is Suzuki Gixxer SF155. Yung term na Gixxer ay matagal lang nakatatag yan, mula pa sa mga big bikes sa Suzuki all the way sa mga smaller displacement nila, particularly dito sa Asia, tulad nila Gixxer 150, Gixxer 250, Gixxer SF250, until kila Gixxer 155 and Gixxer SF155. Now, focus muna tayo dito sa sport touring nila na bagong Gixxer. Ito ay equipped na isang 155cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, 4-stroke, 2-valve single overhead cam, fuel injected with 5-speed transmission. Maximum power niya is 13.9 HP at 8,000 RPM with 14 Nm at 6,000 RPM para naman sa kanyang maximum torque output. Okay, so before you judge, let's try to understand kung paano nga ba minamarket ni Suzuki itong si Gixxer SF155. Keep in mind that this is still a commuter bike with some touch of sportiness as we see. It is on a sport touring category and so, let's not expect too much, like yung mga tipong race ready yung hinahanap natin. That's a different story. Let's try to know more about the bike. Looks-wise, very evident talaga yung signature style ni Suzuki. Just look at it. Still aggressive looking tulad ng mga big brothers niya sa GSXR series na hindi ganun kasubsob at maaring mo pa din magamit pang araw-araw. Like pampasok sa trabaho, sa eskwela, panggala at iba pa. For sure, gagamit-gamitin mo talaga itong motor na to. Ahangis ng forma eh. Now, as we can see, brusko din talaga yung datingin ni Gixxer SF155. Mula sa kanyang headlight na naka-LED na mas exposed pa yung sharpness niya with the help of its windscreen visor. Although medyo may kaliitan yung visor niya, but at certain angle, very sharp looking talaga siya. Medyo may konting DNA ni Hayabusa. Would you guys agree? Now, sa taillight naman niya, it is also LED, and the rest of the turn signals ay naka-bulb type naman. Naka-digital gauge na rin ito, clip-on handlebars with regular switches, built-in mudguard, center stand, pretty solid rear view mirrors, and yung view ng cockpit niya ay pretty nice din talaga. Importanteng factor din yan since yan yung madalas na nakikita natin sa biyahe. At pa natin yung disenyo ng malaki niyang tangke. Angas! Pero bago natin i-discuss yan, let's check other specs muna. Si Gixxer SF155 ay equipped ng MRF tubeless tire 17 inches, 100/80 sa harap habang 140/60 naman sa likod. Naka-disc brake harap likod with bi-brake calipers, conventional telescopic fork sa harap at may adjustable monoshock sa likod. Seat height niya is very Pinoy friendly with 795mm. May mataas na ground clearance na may sukat na 165mm, which is very effective sa matataas na humps at malulubak na daan. Common opportunity kasi sa mga sports bike yung ground clearance sa totoo lang. But with Gixxer SF155 ay safe na safe ang ilalim ng motor, especially the engine. Ito ay may bigat lamang na 146 kilograms which I think akma lang naman sa size niya. And going back sa kanyang tangke, it has a huge fuel tank of 12 liters lang naman, with an average fuel consumption of 45 to 50 kilometers per liter. That is very efficient. At dahil yan kay Suzuki Eco Performance, this bike is providing decent numbers when it comes to power and torque output without compromising fuel efficiency. And that's how you become master of both worlds. Kanyang kalupit si Suzuki. Now, kung tingin mo ay okay na sa'yo ang mga specs and features na ito, you could take home the Suzuki Gixxer SF155 for only 114,900 pesos. Yes, you heard it right, 114,900 pesos only. Which means in less than 115,000 pesos ay magkakaroon ka na ng isang sport touring na motor na may maangas na forma, aggressive looking pero hindi ganun kasubsob, pwedeng pang araw-araw, palag-palag din sa long ride, matipid sa gas at may napaka-solid na overall design pa. Papapasabi ka na lang ng
panalo tayong lahat!
Kung gusto nyo pang mas makita ng malapitan si Gixxer SF155 hanggang sa maiuwi nyo, ay bisita lang sa napaka-solid na showroom ng Suzuki BigBikes Antipolo / MotorcycleCity Suzuki 3S. They're located at El Sumulong Circumferential Road, Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Malapit lang sila sa Inara Center and you could just search for Suzuki BigBikes Antipolo sa inyong mga navigation apps. B-Boy LMD here and you guys are watching Respeto Kagulong. Special thanks to Premium Gears for our air-cool riding jersey and to Mookem Helmets Philippines para sa ating moto vlogging helmet. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Sumigaw ako sa langit, sana ay mabasbasan. May tanong ako na bakit ang dami ng pinapasan. Sa pagpatuloy na lumaban, napuno lamang ng galit. Nagpatuloy na lumakad kahit medyo alanganin. Dahil kada pagkatapos makaraos sa isang pasanin ay may panibago dagok na agad kakaharapin. Di mahagilap kahit pilit mang hanapin. Ano ba ang kasagutan? Baka pwede nang kumain. Dahil ilan na lamang ang natitirang pasensya. May tinig na naririnig mula sa aking konsensya.